Hi, in this video we will discuss the most repeated questions from the topic ratio and proportion. First one, A is to B is given as 6 is to 8. A is to B is given as 6 is to 8. We can further simplify as 3 is to 4. And B is to C ratio is given as 5 is to 12. So we will make these two values same. How can we make these two values same? In the first ratio we will multiply with 5. In the second ratio we will multiply with 4. So in the first ratio we'll get it is 15 is to 20 and 20 is to 48. So we will combine these two. The ratio is 15 is to 20 is to 48. Fourth option. Next one. In a school there are total 560 students. The ratio of boys and girls is given as 13 is to 15. Okay. The total number of students are what? In this, the total units are what? It is 28 units. 28 units is equal to 560 students. So 1 unit is equal to 560 divided by 28. It is 20. 1 unit is equal to 20 students. So here the number of boys are what? It is 13 into 20. It is 260. And the number of girls are 15 into 20. It is 300. If 40 more boys gets admitted into the school, in this 40 more are added. So the ratio is 300 is to 300. It is 1 is to 1. Fourth option. Next one, the amount of money earned on a job is directly proportional to the number of hours worked. So the number of hours worked, that is directly proportional to the money. So if 324 rupees is earned in 6 hours, in 6 hours 324 rupees is earned, how much money will be earned in 29 hours of work? So we have to find in 29 hours of work how much money can be earned. So in 6 hours 324 rupees is earned. So in 1 hour how many rupees can be earned? It is 54. So in 29 hours 29 into 54 rupees can be earned. 29 into 54 is what? It is 36. 8 plus 45, 53 plus 3, 56. 10 plus 5, 15. Okay. Second option. Next one. If m is to n is equal to 9 is to 6, then what is the value of m plus n is to m minus n? We will directly substitute these values. It is m plus n is 9 plus 6 divided by 9 minus 6. It is 15 by 3. It is 5 is to 1. Third option. Next one. What is the ratio of number of books per subject B1 to the average number of books per subject? For subject B1, number of books are 120 divided by what is the average number of books per unit per subject. So what is the total number of books? It is 2 plus 5, 7 plus 5, 12 plus 4, 16. And again 5 plus 1, 6. It is 660 divided by, there are 5 books. So it is 660 into 5. It is 12. 6 into 2, 6 into 11. It is 10 is to 11. Second option. Next one. The mean proportion between this 4 plus 2 root 3 and 6 minus 3 root 3 is what? See what is mean proportion? See, if there are 3 numbers A, B and C. So here mean proportion is A by B is equal to B by C. So the mean is B value. Okay. So we can also write it as B square is equal to AC. Okay. So the mean proportion we will assume as B. So B square is equal to 4 plus 2 root 3 into 6 minus 3 root 3. We will take 2 common here. It is 2 plus root 3 into, we will take 3 common in the second term. It is 3 into 2 minus root 3. 2 into 3, 6 into 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3. It is 2 square, 4 minus 3. It is 6 into 1. It is 6. Okay, see here B square is equal to 6. So what is B value? It is root 6. First option. Two different quantities of the same solution having ingredients A and B are stored in two different containers. In the first container, there are 252 liters of A. So, in first container, there are 252 liters of A and 441 liters of B. Okay. In the second container, the total quantity of the solution was 1188. How much of the solution in the second container was made up of ingredient B? See here, in the second container, what quantity of A is added, we don't know that, and what quantity of B is added, we don't know that also. But we have to find this one. So we will assume the quantity in B container is X. So in A container, what will the quantity be? It is 1188 minus X. So we will take a ratio of these two because the percentage of this A and B are same in both the containers. So the ratio will also be same. It is 252 divided by 1188 minus X is equal to 441 divided by X. So for 441 is 21 into 21. So here 21 into 1, 42. So it is 2. Okay. Here 3 into 4, 3 into 7. Okay. If you multiply here, 4x is equal to 1188 into 7 minus 7x. It is 11x is equal to 1188 into 7. So here 11 into 108. Okay. So x is equal to 756. Okay. Second option. Next one. Which number should be subtracted from these numbers so that the obtained numbers may become proportional? So if the four numbers A, B, C and D are in proportional, then A by B is equal to C by D. Okay. Which number should be subtracted? So some number we will assume as X. So X should be subtracted from these numbers and they will become proportional. So it is 17 minus X divided by 30 minus X is equal to 22 minus X divided by 40 minus X. We have to cross multiply. 17 into 40 is 680 and minus 40x minus 17x, it is minus 57x plus x square is equal to 660 minus 30x minus 30x minus 22x is minus 52x plus x square. X square and x square will get cancelled. So here 20 is equal to 5x. X is equal to 4. Second option. Next one, which relation is correct? 6 is to 11 and 8 is to 9. We have to find which ratio is greater. So we will take LCM of the denominators. It is 9 and 11. LCM is 99. So we will make the denominators as 99. So in the first ratio, we will multiply and divide with 9 so that the denominator becomes 99. It becomes 54 divided by 99, and in the second ratio we will multiply and divide with 11. We get here 88 by 99. So now which is greater, 54 by 99 or 88 by 99? Second ratio is greater. So here 8 by 9 is greater. Okay, next one. Determine the fourth proportion to this one. Okay. It is 30 by 120 is equal to 15 by x. We will assume the fourth one as x. So it is 30 into 4. So x is equal to 60. Second option. If 4/5 of a number, 4/5 of A is equal to 2/5 of B. So here 2A is equal to B. A is to B is equal to 1 is to 2. First option. Next one, Prithvi has pears and peaches in the ratio 10 is to 13. Celine has pears and peaches in the ratio 7 is to 9 and Vikram has in the ratio 5 is to 7. We have to find which ratio is greater. So here there are three ratios given. We will take LCM for the denominators. It is 13 into 9 into 7. Okay. So we will multiply these all numbers with all these three ratios. We'll get here 10 into 9 into 7, it is 63. 10 into 63 and 7 into 13 into 9. Okay. Next one, sorry, into 7 here. Okay. Next one, 5 into 13 into 9. So here first one is 630. Next is 49 into 13. Next is 45 into 13. Okay. 630 and 49 into 13 is what? 9 into 3, 27. 12 plus 9, 21, 23. 637. And the next one is 45 into 13 is 5 into 3, 15. 12 plus 5, 17, 18. Okay. It is 585. Among these three numbers, 637 is bigger. So the second one. The Celine has a greater ratio of pairs to peaches. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.